Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change date and time on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. First of all, we need to open the settings, then scroll all the way down, and over here we need to go to General Management. Now over here we have date and time, so let's go over here. And finally here we can enable and disable automatic date and time, as well as the automatic time zone. So let's start with the date and time. If you press on the slider, if you disable the automatic date and time, then you have the option to set date and time manually. You can tap on set date in order to choose the date that you wish to have, and of course you can do the same with the time. So that's pretty much it. And of course it works pretty similar with the automatic time zone, so you can switch the time zone over here. You can change the region and the time zone as well. So this is how we can change the date and time. And of course at the bottom we have the 24-hour format as well. So if you enable, then you will start using the 24-hour format over here. You also have the preview how it looks like. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.